All right, so we did the exhaust last night. It's the next day. It's about 6 o'clock right now. You're not going to see the exhaust video until I swap out the cat pack, because I am trading somebody for a quieter cat pack. But if you can see, there are a few flurries falling, so something tells me that there's going to be a snow drifting video in the near future. That'll probably come out before the exhaust video. If this snow actually falls heavier and it amounts to something and we can go drifting, we can get the sleds and do what I have in mind, then that video will be out before you even see this clip. But whatever, like, I'm hyped. Alright, so don't know if you can see me, but we are we're a couple men down. It's just me and Andrew tonight. We went out a little later than we planned, so we're just gonna try and see if there's any spots still open to drift, I guess, because a lot of places, even if they're closed, will have people plow so that people like us can't come in and drift. So we're gonna see if we can hit up a couple spots and get a little footage. So that'll be what you see next.
Guy,
Go for it.
a car pulled in, so I pulled off for a second. I'm gonna try to pull off the side.
And welcome to Jackass.
I spun out in front of all those people and turned it into a sick, nasty drift because I didn't want to be embarrassed.
Did you? Jesus Christ. I was trying to tandem with you, but then you stopped. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Oh, I was gonna hit the cone.
Oh, were you?
I was having a good tandem, but I kept sliding outward and I was trying to drag it in. And
I did the best I could to record from inside the car.
Yeah.
But this looks like fun.
Fuck. I'll try to follow you.
Okay.
Because you have more control of your slide. Mine is more open. Let's see how well I do with one hand recording and one hand drifting. I am not very good.
I had it on the shifter angle at me, and then I just held it.
Okay. Come on, spin, baby. She won't spin. Mine won't spin. She's being angry with me. on, Cyclone it! Alright, I think we are near where we want to go. My windows wouldn't close. Rather upset about it. Let's drop her into first. Ignore all my warning lights. Those are always on, because my car is always broken.
I know. What?
I think she overheated and put the emergency traction control on.
Oh, really?
Because
I can smell it.
that wasn't me stopping right then.
Oh, really?
No.
Fuck. Jesus
That was
Christ.
fucking fun.
Jesus.
How'd that look?
Dark.
Awesome. I put the light bar on for show.
Well, it probably helps because it's dark as shit. You can see when your headlights whipped around. That's about it.
That's okay.
Yeah.
It was fun doing. Yeah, it says ESP bypass on right now, and she smells toasty.
I'm gonna get a couple and then let's head home.
I'm curious to see if my car will move. Can you work around my car? Actually, let's see what I can do. Let's see.
That's a wrap. We don't have an intro or really an outro for that matter.
No, we just
But
decided
no,
to
that
fuck
was
shit up.
fun. Neither one of us have looked at the clips, so this is completely unknown to either of us. But we had a blast.
Never really drifted before either.
Yeah, no. I've gone out by myself, but never with other people. And some of the tandems that we had were pretty tight. Not gonna lie.
Overheated
But-
the traction control system.
his whole
Car
Jeep. His whole
stalled.
Jeep just decided to go into limp mode real quick. But no, that was fun. And if it wasn't so late at night, we were gonna get a bunch of other people to go. And what we were gonna do is we were gonna tie a rope to the top crossbar of my Forester, and we have a buddy with a metal like disc sled, and we're gonna tow people behind it. So when it's a little earlier in the night and we get a bigger storm where it's still going all day and they just can't keep up with the snow, expect that. That's gonna be a banger.
Yeah. Make sure to drop 8 likes and we'll do it.
8 likes.
8 total
8
likes, and
yeah.
we'll do it.
All right. Have a good one, guys.
Peace.